Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I have another scent from Maison Anthony Marmin. So this is Imperial Oud. I am really excited about it. It has more oud, leathery kind of feel to it. On the website page they say that it has leather and oud kind of mix. So let's try to open it and see for ourselves. So these packs, they are, they mostly breaks when I open them. So maybe samples should be in something else. So this is Imperial Oud from Maison Anthony Marmin. So let me show you guys the sample, and this is the sample 0.5 ml Imperial Oud. So now I'm going to test it over here on my hand. So let's open it, put it over here and see how it actually evolves. It has a really lovely Hindi oud oil. I'm not sure, they also say that it's Cipryol. So Cipryol is actually used to create a synthetic Hindi oud oil note. So Cipryol, it also has leathery kind of note. For me, it is coffee kind of Hindi oud oil. There is one oil oud oil that I actually missed, which had a very nice burnt coffee grains kind of effect. If you love coffee and if you love oud oils, this is a very lovely blend. So this is really lovely blend. It has burnt coffee effect, it has Hindi oud oil, it has some freshness to it. I'm not sure how, but it's kind of on the green dark brown kind of spectrum. Very lovely blend. Imperial Oud, I'm really impressed by Maison Anthony Marmin. The name is actually really suits this attar, Imperial Oud. Woodiness is there. Leather is not, it is not very damp or heavy kind of attar. It is kind of lighter side of oud oil, because Hindi oud oils sometimes if they have a leathery note, you cannot wear them in summers. You cannot imagine to wear them in summers. They have very thick thick kind of ambience that is difficult to breathe in a summer or a congested room. So if you are in an air conditioned environment, then you can apply it. Otherwise, in heat or in humidity, you cannot apply a Hindi oud oil which has very leathery and heavy notes. Yes, it has a good dose of Hindi oud oil. So Hindi oud oil is there, a bit of leathery note is there, there is some sweetness. I'm not sure. Let me just quickly see what it has. Okay, so it has amber, cedar, sweet, resinous, incense. So that is what I'm picking up. Sweet note, there is something sweet in there. So sweet, resinous, incense kind of feel, but I don't get much of the incense. It is mostly sweetness, light sweetness with Hindi oud oil, burnt coffee in the start. Then it has a little bit of leather, some freshness. It is overall a very balanced blend. Now I am going to rate it, and I think I would rate it 9 out of 10. It is a really lovely blend. Okay, so for the power, as it has a good dose of Hindi oud oil, I think it would be powerful, and it is going to stay like 5 to 6 hours at least on your skin. So I would rate it like 8 out of 10. Okay, so 9 out of 10 for scent profile, performance, longevity, or everything. I would rate it like 8 out of 10. Really lovely blend from Maison Anthony Marmin. If you don't like Hindi oud oils, I think you should not try these kind of attar oils. Or if you are a woman, maybe if you are an Arab woman, I think you can really love or enjoy this. Anyhow, so that is my review about Imperial Oud from Maison Anthony Marmin. I hope you have enjoyed my video. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.